Hello and welcome to the AHRI video update. I'm Nicole Snyder, the Communications Coordinator at AHRI, and with me today is Mikelann Scerbo, one of our certification engineers. AHRI recently attended ASHRAE's summer conference in St. Louis, Missouri, and Mikelann is here to talk with us today a bit more generally and broadly about AHRI's partnership with ASHRAE and what it is that we do at these conferences overall, year in and year out. So Mikelann, can you start us off and tell us what do we do while we're at these conferences?
While we're at ASHRAE, AHRI staff usually attends project committees and technical committees. We participate on those committees. A lot of us are voting members on those committees. We also attend technical sessions, seminars to learn more about our members' products. We also actually hold an AHRI reception, which is kind of a networking event for our members.
And what do we kind of hope to accomplish by attending all these different seminars and committees?
When we attend the ASHRAE conference, we really want to stay involved in what's going on in the industry. A lot of what ASHRAE does has to do with standards, similar to us, except ASHRAE creates the method of test. So they're a sister organization in that they create the method of test, and our certification programs go by our rating standards that we create. So we need to know if there's a change to the method of test, because that'll definitely affect our certification programs. So that's why we'll participate on these technical committees and have a voting on those technical committees so that we know exactly what's going on. We also will keep up to date on any code changes. So for example, the standard like ASHRAE 90.1 is adopted into code in some states. So once we know of a certain standard change that might be adopted into the regulatory environment, we need to keep update on that so that we can bring that information to an AHRI biannual meeting and see how each different equipment industry wants to react to that new code.
And are there any other ways that we partner with ASHRAE?
Yeah, definitely. So we partner with ASHRAE very much so in terms of research. There are many research projects that ASHRAE and AHRI co-sponsor. There's a pretty recent flammable refrigerants initiative research project that both the DOE, the AHRI, and ASHRAE have in total contributed $5.2 million to fund this project to make sure that flammable refrigerants are being handled safely. So that's a very big project. We also partner with ASHRAE in terms of the AHRI Expo, which is one of the largest expos in the world, and it's also a place where we can advertise the importance of AHRI certification. At a lot of these expos, manufacturers are showing off their certified products, and it means something to distinguish yourself as an AHRI certified manufacturer as compared to someone who's not. We also, on the local level, we have ASHRAE chapters. For example, National Capital Chapter is relevant to our AHRI office. So on the local level, we try to gain membership into ASHRAE, try to create networking opportunities for engineers and professionals in the industry to learn more about what ASHRAE does and to try to help their careers.
Great. Well, thanks so much for talking with us today, Mikelann.
Yeah, thanks.
And please stay tuned for the next AHRI video update.